Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Titanic shipwreck was discovered in 1985 by Jean-Louis Michel and Robert Ballard. Robert Ballard led multiple expeditions to find the wreck. One in 1977 and another in 1985, with an experimental unmanned submersible called the Argo. The wreck was located off the coast of Newfoundland, Canada. Dr. Joe McCannis was a member of the first expedition to locate the wreck of the Titanic in 1985. He is a veteran deep-sea explorer who has completed 2 trips to the famed wreck with a Russian crew. As part of making the 1992 IMAX documentary Titanica. On his second expedition to the Titanic, McCannis and the crew briefly found themselves stuck on part of the wreck. They dived 17 times to explore the wreck. On their 17th dive, they were struck. They slid under the wire. A second submarine was sent to investigate, and between two, figure out the way to gently jiggle the craft free. They were tangled there for 16 hours. There have been several expeditions to the Titanic since its discovery in 1985. RMS Titanic has conducted 8 expeditions to the Titanic. Veteran Titanic diver David Concannon has over 25 years of exploration leadership, including 6 expeditions to the Titanic. OceanGate Expeditions is a company that operates a submersible vessel named Titan. Which has visited the wreckage site of the Titanic. The Titan submersible has made the voyage to the Titanic 3 times, once a year since 2021. The company made its first trip to the Titanic wreck in 2021 and then again in 2022. The company went back this summer as part of plans to continue to return annually to further document the Titanic and its rate of decay. The Titan submersible was a revolutionary underwater vehicle that could explore the depths of the ocean with unprecedented accuracy and safety. It was designed and built by a team of 5 experts from different fields and from different countries, who were also the first to board it. In 2018, though alarms about the Titan was sounded both inside and outside the company, they called on OceanGate Expeditions to have the sub undergo a assessment by a leading certificate organization, one which the company was unwilling to pay. The 5 people who were on board the Titan submersible were British businessman Hamish Harding, Pakistani investor and a billionaire Shehzada Daoud and his son Suleiman, French diver Paul Henry, and OceanGate CEO Stockton Rush. June 18, 2023, Titan starts its expedition. After 1 hour and 45 minutes, Polar Prince, the mothership, which was monitoring Titan, had lost the signals. US Navy claimed that they heard something in the water. Different speculations were going on regarding the missing vessel. Different authorities were searching the vessel. But after finding no clue, after 5 days' death of missing persons was announced. They went to see the history. Instead, they become history. And practically unsinkable is resting underwater. While people are practically dying to see that.